How can I make a reservation for a hotel room?
Can I please make a reservation at Stefano's tonight?
I'd like to make a reservation for this evening under the names Hodge and Bigsby.
I'm calling to see if I can make a reservation for tonight.
I'd like to make a booking for tonight.
I need to make a booking.
Do you have any rooms available for tonight?
Hi, I was just wondering, do you have any rooms available?
I was wondering if you might have 2 rooms available for the next 4 nights?
Yeah, I'm just checking to see if you have any rooms available for tonight.
Do you have any vacancies this evening?
I believe you have a vacancy.
I don't suppose you've got a vacancy, have you?
Lucky for you, I do have a vacancy in one of our best suites.
Did you have a reservation?
And did you make a reservation on our website?
Do you wish to make a reservation?
Do you have a reservation?
I believe you have a booking in the name of Grace Brothers.
I went online and made a booking about a month ago.
We have a reservation for the honeymoon suite, Mr. and Mrs. Garland.
We have a reservation for a double room.
We have a reservation under Dr. Price.
Yes, you should have a reservation for Fleck.
And is the reservation under your name or your boyfriend's?
In what name is the reservation, please?
Did you by chance make the reservation under another name?
May I see the credit card you made the reservation under?
Sir, we have a reservation for Mr. Shepard, but that's not for 4 days.
There isn't a vacancy in town.
I don't have any vacancies.
I'm sorry, boys, but we haven't got any vacancy.
I'm sorry, we have absolutely no rooms available.
There are no more rooms available in the motel, Mr. Braxton.
All of our rooms are fully booked.
I can double check, but we are fully booked.
I'm sorry, but we're fully booked tonight, sir.
I'm afraid we're fully booked with Christmas.
I'm interested in a single room.
Listen, there's only a twin room and 2 singles to choose from.
Only a twin room was available, so we pushed 2 beds together.
We can let you have a single room for $200 a night.
Would that be a single room or a double, sir?
I think I can fit you in with a double room for that date.
2 connecting rooms.
I'm afraid all we have left is a suite and a single room, senores.
It's a suite, but I'll only charge you the single room rate.
I want to get a suite for myself and Mr. Cardetti, please.
Now, we're all out of double rooms, but I saved you a suite with 2 queens.
Yes, I'd like a suite, preferably on the top floor.
They're adjoining rooms with 2 doors and 2 locks.
2 rooms, adjoining rooms on the same floor.
We asked for a room with a view of the pool.
What we'd like, senor, is a room with a view and a toilet with a seat.
Any chance you have a room with a view?
How about the garden room with a view of the water?
I'm sorry, but we made a booking on the 3rd floor, the sea view room.
Can I see your ID?
Can I see your passport, please?
May I see your identification, please?
May I see your ID or passport?
We just need your passport, and then could you fill out this form?
Fill out this form.
Do I get a confirmation number on that, or?
Confirmation number, Romeo Tango G7745.
Hi, may I have your name and reservation number, please?
You're showing me an online reservation confirmation.
Excuse me, I would like to check in.
I'd like to, check in again, please.
We'd like to check in, please.
Yeah, we'd like to check in.
Checkout is not till noon, and he has a good 11 minutes left.
Checkout is Monday at 11 in the a.m.
Checkout isn't until 11, so if you want to sleep in or whatever.
I pay $22 and checkout time is noon.
Could I have my key, please?
Here is your room key, so you're all set.
If you lose your room key, contact the front desk.
I lost my room key.
I misplaced my room key, and I'd love to get another one.
May I see your room key?
So, here's your room key. And the room number is right on there.
Your room is on the 1st floor?
Your room is on the 2nd floor.
Your room is on the 2nd floor.
Could you show us where the elevators are?
Sure.
Excuse me, do you know where the elevator is?
Where are the elevators?
The elevators are to your left, and I do hope you enjoy your stay.
Breakfast is served on the terrace between 7 and 10, Miss Beach, with roll call at 9 precisely.
Breakfast is served from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock.
Breakfast is served in the dining room until 10 a.m.
So, breakfast is served every morning at the big house from 6 to 9.
Could I also please get a wake-up call for 5:30 a.m.?
Good morning, this is your wake-up call.
I'd like a wake-up call for 6:50 a.m.
I want to leave a wake-up call for 7 a.m. if you please.
Yeah, we want to book a wake-up call for tomorrow morning at 5:30.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
I hope you enjoy your stay.
I hope you enjoy your stay with us.
We certainly hope you enjoy your stay.
Is there anything else I can do for you or arrange transportation?
How may I assist you, Barbie?
Allow me to help you with your luggage. Can I help you with your luggage?
Let me help you with your bags.
May I help you with your bags, Mr. and Mrs. Dixon?
Would you like help with your bags?
Call me a cab.
Call me a taxi. Back to Atlantic City.
Could you call me a cab? Could you call me a taxi?
Excuse me, but would you call me a cab?
Is there any way you could call me a cab, please?
Call me a cab.
Is there Wi-Fi here?
Oh, yeah, what's your Wi-Fi password?
What's your Wi-Fi?
What's your Wi-Fi password?
Hi. I'd like to order room service?
I didn't order room service.
Room service menu on the table.
Can we order some room service?
Could you put the do not disturb sign on, please, Andy?
He checked in for the night, putting a do not disturb on the door, and asked for a 6 a.m. wake-up call.
There was a do not disturb sign on the door.
We left the 8 o'clock wake-up call, put a do not disturb sign on his door.
Housekeeping. And I'm getting no response from housekeeping.
Can you ask housekeeping to bring us some ping pong balls, please?
I didn't need housekeeping.
It's housekeeping. Do you need fresh towels?
I was promised one complimentary meal a day while I'm staying here.
I got your room with 2 double beds. Checkouts at 11 and complimentary breakfast served till 10.
Oh, we have a complimentary car service to the airport.
Towels in each room, and a complimentary bar of soap.
We'd like to offer you a complimentary suite while you're here.
Yeah, everything's complimentary around here till you get the bill.
Could I have a bellboy to help me with my wife, please?
If you want anything, just ring for the bellboy.
Have the bellboy take up your luggage.
Did you call a bellboy to get the bags?
Yes, and would you have a bellboy bring up all the latest magazines?
You mean you don't have any...
No valet parking.
I'll send a valet for you, Sir Hugh.
We don't have a valet. You know this hotel charges $35 for valet parking.
And of course you have access to all of our amenities.
5-star hotel with all the comforts and amenities you could possibly imagine.
I'd be happy to run through the list of amenities or show you around if you'd like.
I just want to check out the amenities.
They have these amenities to provide to their guests.
You know, a hotel is more than just facilities and amenities. It's...
You mean after you lectured them about their lack of spa amenities?
And extra blankets in the drawer.
By the way, there are extra towels and linens and things in here if you need them.
If you need any extra blankets, towels, anything, don't hesitate to ask.
I was wondering, are there any extra blankets?
There are extra pillows and fresh towels in the closet.
There are extra sheets in the hall.
Please, I'll meet you at the reception desk.
Call the front desk and someone will bring you a replacement card.
If there's anything you need, don't hesitate to call the front desk. Thank you.
I'm going to leave some at the front desk for you. I will drop this at the front desk.
Look, if you'd like to check out, I'll give you a full refund.
I'd like to check out, please.
I'd like to check out, please.
Did you enjoy your stay? Did you enjoy your stay in Honolulu?
Did you enjoy your stay, sir?
No.
How would you like to pay for this, cash or credit?
Can I have your credit card?
Can I pay you with cash?
Could I pay you in cash instead?
I'd like to pay my bill.
I'm afraid I'm gonna have to charge you for the night.
Would you like a receipt or I can email you one?
And if you are 3, this is going to be an extra charge.
Can we charge it to the room?
Charge it to my room, 608.
Monsieur, shall I charge it to this room or yours?
No extra charge.
There was an extra charge of $200 on my credit card bill.
With my entire collected works. Free of charge.